TNXP down 17.53%. This is Monday, the 18th of August, 2025. On Friday, the 15th, it traded between 14.04 and 72.60. Was a highly volatile session. Yeah, the FDA approved its fibromyalgia drug, and a lot of market participants are surprised. But obviously, being that there was a lot of anticipation going into Friday's announcement. But what we're looking at right now is a contraction of all of that volatility. The news has come out, money is off the table, but it has some future, you know. So lower prices by going by our extrapolations is saying that lower prices are still expected to keep printing up till tomorrow's pre-market session. Yeah, tomorrow's pre-market session, and those lows are expected to remain in place at least up till the whole of tomorrow, and then we may get a bounce thereafter. And ultimately, it's just a case of just contracting this expansion, if you like, the expansion that began all the way back from early August, Friday, the 1st of August. So the big news is out. It has taken the sail out of the winds, it seems. But who knows? Let's just see. But yeah, that news was a major catalyst, and it has come up now. We need to find something else to look forward to. Um, the price pressure momentum of its 10 and 21 period moving averages are severely bearish, severely bearish. However, the derivatives are all still positive, probably because the stock has been in an uptrend before now for a decent amount of time. Maybe those because of that they haven't yet gone negative, but at the same time it's also indicating that there's still a lot of support on the stock. There's a decent amount of support on the stock, and we can see that there's a good chance that it may still remain below its 10 and 21 period moving averages regardless of the support it has. We have 56.22, 56.56. Yeah, if there isn't anything that will drive the interest to pay higher prices, then there's a good chance we are going to be looking at a good number of days before anything else happens. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying that there's a good chance it may remain below 56.23, 56, 55.64 for a couple of trading sessions. I think the stock company also has other pipelines, other drugs in the pipeline. But for now, it seems we may be, but I may be wrong. I may be wrong, completely wrong. Let's see the daily chart. Daily chart is not as active as the 4-hour chart. Here we can see it gives a more encouraging picture. You can see here it's pullback. The same sort of weakness is expected here. It's up to Wednesday, and then after that, it's a bounce, and then further weakness. Maybe, a lot of money has seemed to have gone off the stock, and the algos are projecting negativity right now. So, 59.42, 63.47. These are the projections. Um, Price pressure momentum not as severely bearish as what we have on the 4-hour chart. Obviously, being that it's a daily chart, it will, if you like, it will be lagging, you know, the proceedings. So let's just listen to what the readout is saying concerning the stock.
TNXP, or Tonix Pharmaceuticals, is trending downward despite securing FDA approval for its fibromyalgia treatment, Tonmya, a development that many expected would be a bullish catalyst. The surprising post approval sell off has left some investors puzzled, sparking heated debates in trading forums and biotech communities. On one side, optimists argue the dip may be temporary, noting Tonmiel is the first new fibromyalgia drug in over a decade, targeting a patient population of roughly 4 million adults in the US alone. They highlight the strong phase 3 data, Tonic's relatively clean balance sheet, and the potential for commercialization to drive long term revenue growth. Bulls are also pointing to the stock's high short interest, suggesting the current weakness could set the stage for a short squeeze if momentum turns positive. On the other side, skeptics warn that the price action reflects deeper concerns. Tonix has a history of dilutions following major announcements, and with commercialization looming, many expect the company may raise capital to fund marketing, distribution, and sales efforts. For these investors, the approval itself doesn't erase structural risks, especially in a competitive chronic pain market dominated by established players with stronger sales networks. The community is also divided on Tonmiao's commercial potential. Some see the drug's tolerability profile and once daily dosing as attractive differentiators, while others question whether physicians will readily switch patients from entrenched alternatives. The recent FDA green light is being viewed less as an endpoint and more as the start of a long, uncertain road to market penetration. For traders, TNXP has become a high volatility play, a tug of war between speculation on near term squeezes and skepticism rooted in the company's past track record. As commercialization plans take shape in the coming months, the market will be watching closely to see if Tonix can convert regulatory success into meaningful financial results.
Okay, let's just see what's going on here. I think we're running low on that memory. We're not going to see anything there really. So let's just see. We've seen the 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart. What do we have here in terms of projections? Really nothing fantastic for 6.43. Yeah, nothing fantastic. 54.9, 54 point 15, 50, 60.82, 60.42, 59.78. We'll probably have to rely on short squeeze to reprint those sort of levels. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.